And here's I will show you the new update wallpaper for iPhone iOS 18 user. First of all, make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 18 or newer version. So as you can see right now, I'm using iOS 18, and now let's go to our iPhone settings, and from your settings app you have to tap on wallpaper, and let's create a new wallpaper here. And once you are in this add new wallpaper page, here if you scroll down a little bit, here you'll see this iOS 18 wallpaper section. Under iOS 18 wallpaper section, if you scroll down like this, here you will find this dynamic wallpaper. So this is the dynamic wallpaper. As you can see, wallpaper colors are automatically changing. So all you have to need to use this dynamic wallpaper, tap on that. And here, if you swipe to the left or right, you lose the dynamic wallpaper. So make sure to select here the dynamic wallpaper and then tap on add. And I'm selecting here set as wallpaper pair. And that's it. This is how we can easily use the new iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper in our iPhone. Thanks for watching.